Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a voiceover on how I clean my parents' house. I am currently in their bedroom sacudiendo, and if you guys enjoyed this type of video, make sure you guys give it a big giant thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want me to do more, just let me know down below and I will be more than happy to record these type of videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this montage slash voiceover. So as you can tell, the cobija is not properly acomodada, but don't worry, throughout the video I will fix it because it kind of makes me cringe that it's like that, so just continue. As you can tell, my parents have their TV, the iron, y esa cómoda que tienen allí, and I am not giving you guys my bag. Estoy acomodando allí ese cajón que mis papás tienen. Ahí tienen sus cremas, sus peines, sus cotonetes. In the meantime, they have this setup right now. In the meantime that they get a nueva recámara. It still looks pretty nice, but let's just wait for the recámara. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of how I clean my mom's room. Here they have their crema, their cotonetes, their hair combs. This is her room. This is her nightstand. That's a pile of clothes that she's gonna wash when she gets home. And this is me. This is my cleaning outfit. So I'll just do like a cleaning vlog so you guys can see how I clean my parents' house. But this is my outfit. Some leggings, or like, yeah, these huaraches. And then this crop top that says killing it. So ya ahorita estamos aquí en la sala. Como pueden ver, estoy abriendo las cortinas y voy a empezar a sacudir porque una limpieza sin sacudir no es una limpieza buena. Ya voy a acomodar los sillones y después voy a limpiar el espejo. So I hope you guys are enjoying this mini montage video, and yeah. Checking under the couch just in case there's any trash, big pieces. For instance, right now there was a water bottle, so just big pieces. Like right now, as you guys saw, I just finished cleaning my mom's living room, other than barrer y limpiar because that's at the end. I'm gonna clean the kitchen right now. Ahorita les enseño todo el trasterío que está aquí. I guess it's just like, you know, weekend trastes, and for some reason, I like to wear a towel like this when I'm cleaning just because I have to sacudir, like, you know, las telarañas. Como pueden ver, estos son los trastes que tengo que limpiar yo, los trastes del fin de semana. O sea, ¿qué onda? But whatever, it's fine. We do need a little remodel because this thing is like coming off. Está como un poquito viejita. But anyways, this is what I'm dealing with right now. This is what I'm going to be doing. When I rinse my dad's mugs, I usually like to put them inside the freezer just so that next time he wants to grab a drink, he can go ahead and grab one of his mugs. So I'm done cleaning the kitchen. I'm just cleaning the frutero and giving these oranges some fresh water to keep them hydrated. So ahora vamos a continuar con el baño. So I'm almost done cleaning. Look at this, check it out. Right now I'm going to start cleaning the bathroom. As you can tell, right here, I'm gonna start cleaning the bathroom. It's quite dirty. So I really like to start off by sweeping the floor just in case if I toss any water, it doesn't make it difficult for me for when I mop. So right now I'm adding some Comet to the toilet just so that it can be rinsing off, as well as the tub. I am adding Clorox to it so that it can be rinsing off as I continue to clean the rest of the bathroom. So I am only cleaning the tub because I don't want to fully get into the shower and clean it all, just because I'm wearing colored clothes and I don't want the chlorine to stain my clothes. So this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, make sure to subscribe, give it a big giant thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. This is the outcome of the bathroom. I didn't finish cleaning just because my dad did get home from work and he started to paint right away. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.